Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel if you are new. My name is Nastasia, and today I wanted to do kind of like a vlog style video because I have a lot to do, and also I might go do something fun later. But first I have to get some laundry and cleaning done. I know it's a little bit boring, but I thought maybe you guys would like to come along for the ride. So here we go.
You might be the one taking me home. One thing really do one. You say that you're the worst, but I don't know. Is that true? People fear the silence with things they think they know. Baby, that's why I just be free and let it all go. Let's go. I don't care what.
Okay, well my room's a complete mess, so I'm gonna try to clean that up really quick and then get ready for the day.
Say it's true. Don't matter if it makes I want you. I want you. 'Cause I want you. Any other things might be true. Don't matter if it makes I want you. Everybody else got their own view. I know they cannot see what I do. So don't wonder what I got into. What I get into. Oh, but then he's smiling, but inhibitions fade. Not no point in trying. I know I can keep away. No, I don't care what you say. It's true. Don't matter to me, 'cause I want you.
My room is semi-clean. I need to properly get ready for the day, so I'm going to head to my bathroom and actually do some things.
Any other things might be true. Don't matter to me, 'cause I want you.
Now, time to put some substance on my face.
Any other things might be true. Don't matter to me, 'cause I want you. Okay, I don't care if what they say is true. Don't matter to me, I want you. You might be the one taking me home. One thing really do one. You say that you're the worst, but I don't know. Is that true? People fear the silence with things they think they know. Baby, that's why I just be free and let it all go. Let's go. I don't care what you say, it's true. Don't matter to me, 'cause I want you.
Update. I am off to do something stupid but super fun. So we are gonna go do that. I'm so excited. Oh, the sun. Okay. So can we please talk about how beautiful Virginia is in the fall? Ah, freaking love. Alright, I'm doing something stupid. Oh, I'm getting a tattoo. Again.
Yeah, that's one.
I already have this one. By the same girl. She's freaking awesome, so I'm getting a second one. I've been here for like 4 hours.
I like kept it way too long.
My beautiful friend Lauren is filming right now. Say hi, Lauren.
Please edit that out.
No. Then me tell you at the end of everything.
Exactly.
Yeah.
I wish I had moved it over a little bit. How'd we do?
Let's see.
Ooh. That's pretty sweet.
Let's show the camera.
Is there hair on it? Got it.
Is it a little bit worse?
Just a little. It's not that bad, but it's a little bit harder than that.
You're winning. You're winning. Yeah, you're winning. You're winning.
Is it better or low?
Yeah, it's a little low.
Okay, you can
Pick me
we
up.
can say that when it's done.
Don't be mad cause I'm doing me better than you doing you. Don't be mad cause I'm doing me better than you doing you. Don't be mad cause I'm doing me better than you doing you. Better than you doing you. Scare him out. Ain't nobody see. I'm gonna regret
Be
that.
my videographer forever. It's in my it's in my car.
That is now on that. So how do you pronounce that?
Sweet, huh?
How do you pronounce that?
I don't even know. Now I can't read it to pronounce it. Catopri.
All right, just stop embarrassing yourself.
I don't know. Oh, it's sweet. I love it. Oh, I love it. And even when I turn to the side, you can kind of still see it peeking through like this, Lauren. Oh, I love it. Oh, I feel like I got a workout. I didn't.
Ooh, I love that smell. Is that weird?
You're gonna hold that yet? I guess so.
Jeez.
We came to Panera. Oh, wait.
Right. Stand up.
Right.
Stand up.
Oh.
Sit down.
Right. Fresh food and so much
not
carbs.
gonna work. Why did I think that would fit?
I don't know, but it's okay that you thought that. You're validated.
I'm still gonna use it.
You're fine. We have demolished, and I also have a muffin to take home. Where's your muffy? What is it? Muffy. Let's see your muffy. Muffy. It's like a fluffy cookie. Yeah. Wait, no, try it. Let's hear the review.
Oh, I have to save it.
Ah.
Gotta save it with the morning coffee.
Ooh, morning coffee. What's your coffee of choice?
I'm drinking Third Wave Ethiopian roast right now.
Ooh. I have figured out how to like coffee. Do you want to know how?
How?
I mix it 40% coffee, 60% hot chocolate, and a little bit of pumpkin spice creamer.
Nice.
Everybody I tell it to is like, that's not coffee though.
Wait, it's not?
Hey guys, so I'm home now. Got some good food with Lauren. Back to this amazing lighting of my bathroom. And I just watched my tattoo here. I'll show you. I'm so obsessed with it. Here, let me focus it. So here, you can probably see it in the mirror, maybe a little bit better. So that's what it looks like from far away, which I think is sweet. And then that's the other one I have that I got in February. But yeah, it's actually supposed to be a crescent moon. And then that is the Greek word for reflection. And so it's kind of like to represent through all the stages of life, like all the stages of a moon, you can still reflect the sun of God, and not to let the world make you hard or cold. You can still be beautiful and vulnerable, and through every stage and phase, you know, it has its purpose, and you can still be your own kind of beautiful through every phase of life. So yeah, I love it. I can't wait for it to not be red so you guys can actually see it more accurately. Also, I got Aquaphor for my tattoo because you're supposed to put Aquaphor on it, but they only had Aquaphor like for lips. So I'm not sure if it works or not, but I feel like it's fine, right? Like the Aquaphor like chapstick. Whatever. Looks happy. My tattoo looks happy and fine. Alright, I got to look up some stuff for my student loans because I'm an adult. And that's what adults do, people. They look up things for their student loans so they know how to repay them. So let's figure that out. Have some time in between when I had to reset my password for my government loans, and it takes a half hour for you to be able to log in again. So I'm playing Toontown, and I don't know if any of you guys used to play this, but it's literally my favorite thing. It's the best. They have like Toontown rewritten, and it's free, and it's so much fun, and I've recently been addicted to it. Oh my gosh, you have to comment below if you played this game. Yeah, I'm freaking addicted. But it's my favorite pastime. But I think I'm actually going to end the vlog here. I hope you guys enjoyed coming with me to get my tattoo today. That was fun. I loved spending some time with Lauren too. I hope this was like enjoyable for you guys at all. I mean, I don't have a super exciting life, but when I do some fun things, I like to share. Ooh, look at those mysterious bruises on my arms. I don't get beat, I promise. But yeah, if you enjoyed this video, please give it a big thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel so you don't miss a video every time I post. And if you like these vlog style videos, I want to do them every once in a while, so go ahead and comment below if you like them. But yeah, I hope you guys had fun coming with me on my little journey today, and I love you guys so much, and I'll see you next time. Bye!